our video this time, I'm going to explain looking for sales in 2021. For example, Irfan sold 400 in 2021. Later, the name of the salesperson we will bring up here in the form of a list. The guys, just go ahead in the video tutorial. You can select data, then later there's select data validation. Then select the setting, then there. You can select the list. Well, here's the source for the source. Because we want to display it here in list form, is the name of the sales. Click on this source and then select name of this sales. Okay, like that then, okay? Later it will pop up here like this, guys. Next here, underneath. This clicked here, guys, use the formula as it looks the following. Well, here's the array. Arrangement, it was selected all these tables. Well, like that, yeah. Next, don't forget to press F4 on the keyboard, guys. If your laptop can't, pops a $sign like this. By pressing F4, you can combine with FN plus F4. So why this laptop I support by using the F4 key. So if I press the F4 on my keyboard, then there will appear a $sign like this. This means that locking, if the formula later, we copy your friends. Next, comma. There we use again the name, match your friends. Yes, this do search YA by using match. Look a value, lookup underscore value. Which one is this, guys? Yes, I click once. Well, like that because this is the name of sales. Later, yes, this sales name changes. Don't change here. Then I lock it later so that the line if we do copy the formula does not change. Then I lock with F4. Next there, comma yeah. Comma later. Lookup underscore array. Yes, I choose this one. From the name of this sales, read the name of the sales. Like that. Then I press F4 again. To lock it. Next, I'm classic comma. I choose exact match. Meaning that, absolutely yes, that really fit. Later the search will be displayed value. Sales, value. I double click. After that, I close the brackets. Then I went into a comma again. I used the match again. For the year, I double click this one. Then lookup underscore its value. This lookup underscore value. Okay, don't press the F4 because for this year of sales is always changing. How much will it be in 2022? Because it always changes it. Then I don't press F for here. Then I just komakan aja. Then there is lookup underscore array, just like that, because the year we select from here, well, we just lock this one. By pressing F4 on the keyboard, like that, yeah? Then I comment. Then 0, as usual. This is my double click. Okay, already 0. Close the bracket. This one, YA brackets. This one we're closing here. Okay, once, and stay this one. This one yet? This once. Okay, I close it like that. Then, I enter friends. Well, here error, yeah. We have to choose the name of the salesy first. Here, for example, it just appeared like that. Is it true that refund in 2021 sales are we see refund 2002, 1 true 100. If just drag it down, pull it like this. The refund in 2022 is right. In 2023 is 300, right? Then in 2024, 400 if we change his name automatically, he will change. For example, I replace Irfan. Well, automatically changed Irfan 2021. 400 is right. Then 2022 is 600, right? Then 2023 is 700, right? Next Irfan in 2024 is 750, right? Well, that's how, guys. So the max index combination. This is very useful for made like this that I example of this, okay? I hope this tutorial for new friends. Found this channel? Please subscribe, turn the bells on, and share to your friends so that they also get the same information. With you guys, thank you.